Hi everyone, Care Fostering Agency Northern Ireland had asked me to do a quick teenage makeup demo, so I hope you enjoy. First, I'm just going to make sure that I've moisturised the whole face. I'm just going to end by patting the product just all over. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow products first. I'm going to start with the eyes first because it is going to be a more fuller colour cover look. I'm going to use my eyebrow brush and brush out the brows first to where they are going to naturally sit, and then I'm going to use my pencil and just build up the colour. I'm going to finish with my gel just to add a wee bit more of a natural finish to the brow. Next, I'm going to use my concealer brush and I am going to put my concealer all over the eyelid. This is just going to create a really good base of where I am going to put my eyeshadow. I'm just going to set the concealer with my Senna translucent powder. So the palette I'm going to use today is the LMD, and this is the new remastered palette. I am going to go in with a matte brown, and as you can see I am just going to use it right across the crease of the eye. Now I'm slightly going to go above the crease just because of the shape of my eyes, which can be quite hooded. So what I really want to do here is to open up my eye and to make the appearance look bigger. I'm just going to take a darker shade of brown and I'm going to just build that colour up, that smoke up at the sides of the crease line. Next, I'm going to take my bullet brush and I'm going to use the darkest shade in the palette, and I am going to use it on the outside perimeter of the eye just to really enhance and deepen that smoky look. I'm also going to bring the colour underneath the eye just to really define the eye and to make that colour of blue pop. Finally, I'm going to use a bronze shimmer, and I am just going to go from the tear duct of the eye and place it all over the lid, 2/3 across the eye. Next, I'm going to use my liquid liner pen and I'm going to bring it the whole way across the eye. This is just going to really define the eye. I'm going to bring my kohl eyeliner and use it underneath the eye. Finally, I'm going to finish with mascara. Now you can add lashes to this look just to really give the eyes a wee bit more definition, but I have just used mascara. So in case there's any fallout underneath the eye, I'm just going to take a wipe and I am just going to wipe underneath the eye. Again, I'm going to just go in with a tiny bit of moisturiser and just bring it underneath the eye, because this will just ensure that there's no creases whenever you go to put your concealer on. So I'm going to use my Delilah Alibi foundation. This is a filler cover foundation, and I am going to use my blush brush and ensure that I use it all over the face. I absolutely love this foundation because it still gives a lovely glow to the skin without looking really cakey on the skin, given it's a filler cover. Okay, so after foundation I am going to go in with my concealer, and this concealer is great because it'll just erase out any discoloration under the eye, any purple or black tones. Next I'm going to go in with my Farewell concealer, and this is great because it's a filler cover and it just gives the skin a really lovely finished look. And again, I'm just going to finish my base by patting my foundation brush and making sure everything's nicely blended. I'm going to finish the look by going in with my translucent powder and just making sure that my makeup is well set. Now I'm going to add some warmth to the face by taking my bronzer. This is my Delilah bronzer, and I am going to just use it along the hairline and along the cheekbone. I'm going to go back in with my palette and use my peachy blush. I'm just going to add some highlighter to the tops of the cheekbone and where the light is going to bounce off. Cupid's bow and end of the nose. Then I'm going to go back in again with my palette and I'm going to just highlight underneath the brow bone and in the inner tear duct of the eye, which again will just make the eye appear bigger. Finally, I'm going in with my lip liner. I'm going to finish with a lipstick and my Modesty gloss. Thanks everyone for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, log on to Facebook or Instagram.